All right, day number 2. So we've got a little bit of rain up there, but we're going that way and it looks beautiful. So let's see how it goes. There you go. Loop. And then we've got to climb. Up here's the end of A line. This is the road that takes you to the top of Down Dogger. A line and flow. Yeah, you're not riding that, buddy. There's too much risk versus reward. That's sketchy.
Yeah, there's those things in the middle sticking out.
Yeah, that's sketchy.
And that huge root.
Easy. Hold on, let's let Mama catch up. Pipe! Hold on. Go ahead. It meets at the end. Can you do it? Dadgummit. That's the easiest way, and this is the harder way. Go on, babe. Is this too many roots to make it fun for you? This is the flow part that you did yesterday. Get up off your seat. Pedal, pedal, let's go, 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 go. You're on an e-bike. Let's go, go, go. Go, send it. Oh, sorry. Jesus, guys, got one more behind us. Nice. Whoa, easy. That could have been really bad. I got the stink eye back there from that guy. Because before I saw the guy, and the girl getting ready to jump off the trail, I was telling Micah, go, send it. And then as soon as we come around the corner, he's looking back at me like, how dare you tell him to send it with us on the trail? Oh, hold on, Micah. Have a good day, bud. That was pretty fun, wasn't it? Hold on. You're not done, are you?
Yeah.